Hell yeah. That's a little coffee combo in there, dude. All right, welcome in, everyone. Thank you so much for joining into another little live stream. This is part 2. We're a little refreshed now. I'm straight off of a fucking 7-hour nap. Just kidding. But we are back. We're back. We're going to review some price action. We're going to see how those daily closed on crypto. Going to see what we got on NQ now that the day is closed. And yeah, maybe hang around, shoot some shit. See if we can get Benji in here. I wonder if Javi can join up too. Is that what you were trying to do?
Ooh, I was.
Let's see.
I sure was. Javi. Said present.
Dragaleche.
Did you say Tragaleche?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Thought I was hearing shit.
Dragaleche. Dragaleche procho.
Tragaleche chug today.
All right. What do we got here on NQ? Previous day high swept, right? Kind of what we talked about a little bit on our previous stream. We're like, well, they can just keep on doing the little external to internal to external to internal. Took external, so now we're going back down to internals, right? Let's see if they want to keep on going through those. Oh, shit. This ain't what kind of worked out. It's kind of cool. Look at that. Oops, forgot I outlined that. What the hell are these trend lines? Oh, okay. That's what that was from earlier. That move fucking played out so cool. All right. So we have this previous, or pretty much the daily range right now, right? Outlined. Our OTE somewhere over here. Maybe we come back down, retest this high right there, and then bounce off of that to go higher. It's kind of a little area that we are looking at, something that we're working with there. Let me see, what is this high right there? I don't need that, so that we don't get mixed up in our levels. But that will be our hourly fair value gap. That will also be a lower 4-hour fair value gap, which I wouldn't mind. Right now, I'm looking for this to sweep the low of this 4-hour. That would be the perfect little short for me right there. Let's see, I took this on paper as it did not meet my entry criteria on regular, but just for the sake of the move, for me, this was right now, for me to take an entry, I would want to see a retrace back up into here, into these zones somewhere, and then reject back down if they don't want to sweep these lows quite yet. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. If it doesn't come. If it does, then hell's yeah. But still just kind of looking. This hourly opened up nicely, though. Went straight for the downside. Our cryptos are kind of consolidating. The daily closes on all of them. Let me get rid of this. I don't need that OTE anymore. So we swept the previous day, right? That was pretty nice. We're kind of above this 4-hour fair value gap that we talked about last night on Jupe. I said, okay, well, I want to see it hold above this. We kind of swept this liquidity. Now we're coming back above it. This body needs to close up above it in order for us to see a solid continuation up, as well as this little order block, breaker block, whatever you want to fucking call it, needs to get cleared. On the weekly, though, weekly is looking good for me now. Kind of tapped into this, swept the previous weekly low. Now I'd want to see it continue up on higher. That's my play right there on those names. Let me pull up my stream. If you guys are watching, or if you guys got any questions, let us know. Type them in the chat box. We'll answer them. Whatever you got, hit us with it. Let's see, Fabi. All right. And yeah, we were watching Jupe, Doji, Doji. I think Doji's going good. Yeah, Doge up above that daily. So Doge is looking good on that 4 hour. Doge is clearing that. Doge actually held this 4 hour fair value gap perfectly. Look at that. No body close below it.
Yeah, CRO is doing the thing too. Exactly what I wanted.
Doji. Let's keep pumping Doji. What am I at on it?
Yeah, it's breaking that trend line I sent to you yesterday that we rejected
17% on
for the fifth time
Doji.
here.
So pretty small risk on everything right now, but still enough to capture. Link is also doing the same thing that Doge is doing. So that's good. I like it. See, if we take this week outside week, I would not mind that. I think it's possible. I think it's doable. If we get enough strength in this move, we can easily come up and sweep some of those highs. You want to tag Benji, see what the fuck that fool's up to.
Yep.
So I know my shit won't go through. He has me blocked. Whatever, dude. It's cool. It's cool. It's the high right there. 562. 625. So technically, if we take this range right there, put a standard deviation on it, -2.5, -3.5, -5s. -5 almost lines up with that high right here of this London session. That's what we kind of want to see. And then if you're looking for longs, then we are looking for a sweep of this liquidity and a reversal from this point, right? If they can't displace below it. But I'm also liking all of these lows right here, all of this little LR kind of thing. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get a retrace upon completion of that move. As the new 4 hour is going to open as well, so they should theoretically give us a little bit something to the upside on it. And then from there we'll see what we do. So if you're looking for shorts, look for a retrace, some sort of retrace into something over here once it hits this level. If it doesn't want to displace it, then we can look for longs. But right now I'm kind of liking that downside on Asian. Downside on Q, upside on our cryptos. Hopefully, Asian session doesn't fuck us on this shit.
Heard that one before.
Yeah. Yep. Hourly looks decent on FET too. Take a gander here. Take a fucking gander.
Where there's a direct correlation between coffee and tired now.
The more coffee you consume, the more tired you get.
Yeah. I think my body just associates being tired with coffee now.
Honestly, same. It's bad. It's so bad. I hate it here.
Yeah, YM doesn't look like a horrible short off that yearly open and buy side sweep.
Fed looks decent to the upside. You said YM doesn't look like a terrible long or a terrible short?
Short. But still, a lot of these candles opened up. Like on the hourly, ES is so flat on the top. I just wonder if we come back to this OTE one more time.
Let's see, where do I want to stop on this shit to be? Right there. Yeah. I'm so close to this little guy. See, sometimes they make these moves where they like don't quite come into it, retrace back up, and then we sell back down from from some point of retracement. It's a good look for that possibly. If they want to reverse this back up in the next 22 minutes. So 2 more 15-minute candles where it's like could come up, but obviously they can sell this thing lower. Not be fine with that.
On the hourly ES, we're almost in like a channel.
Take a look here.
Oh, Amy just sucked up a sock in the vacuum I ever did.
Oh my god. Did you
Not
hear it?
Eversource. Yeah, it went. Not Eversource. I meant ES, like ES.
Oh, dang. Yes, what the fuck? Why is he so strong? Oh,
That's
what the fuck?
not
I'm
ES.
looking at energy. I'm looking at crypto. Like, what the fuck?
If you zoom out a little
Uh-huh.
on the hourly.
Uh,
If you connect like those tops.
oh, I
and
see.
the
I see. I
bottoms,
see.
Yeah,
Yep.
and then something like that.
Oh, that's a straight fucking channel.
The and like NQ has the broadening thing going
Bear
on.
flagging.
So
Yeah. So that's
kinda
what we
weird.
said. Like this week, it could just do this fucking thing. Sweep tops, not quite sweep bottoms. Sweep tops, not quite sweep bottoms. Continue up
Yep.
and look at the way this 4 hour, right? We're also looking for
And it could
downside
just
right
keep
there.
SMTing that way too.
Oh yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
I like how you have your little side candles set up.
Mm-hmm. Still
That's clean.
4 hour. I just have it on these ones where it's like if I have only one, but this is my main setup. Where I have
So
all my
3 candles.
what's up?
You just have like the 4 hour, the last 3 candles.
Mm-hmm.
That's super clean. I like that.
Just because it shows you. Because that gives you the 12 hours.
Yep.
Technically. Yeah, it gives you a nice perspective of like what price could do.
Yep.
All right. Doge is going nicely. Link is going. Link is fucking going. Holy.
Oh, CRO. CRO is a beautiful entry from Stream before.
Oh, I have Link. Yeah, dude. She's going. Yeah, if we can hold above these weekly opens, that's going to be prime. See, this is what I want to like clear these fucking 4 hour candles or those hourly 4 hour candles that they've made and then just continue on up post that. Where do I want my link to be taken?
Yeah, when you're done, pull up CRO too.
Linky poo. Where can Link realistically go? Honestly, like maybe $16. You thinking
100? No, I'm just kidding.
16,969. That wouldn't be bad liquidity for them to take this week. Or like daily wise.
I
Guess
would
yeah.
just send it all the way up on the daily.
I would not mind that. But yeah, come back up over to where they did the previous week.
Yeah.
I guess yeah. If we're looking for those previous weekly highs, then get motoring. Motoring. Yes, yeah, real not bad on Crow. I was like, I only did 3x on that one. That was like a low leveraged one.
Yeah, the chart's clean.
Mm-hmm.
Clean as a whistle.
There you go. ES keeps on selling.
Back
ES
at weekly
50.
open.
Yes, 5,962.75 is a good right there for it to reach. There's our first take profit. If it continues down, then we're looking for this further one. All right. If it pushes through this level, through this liquidity, then we're going to look for this lower one. There you go. There's one contract filled.
Bing bong.
Mm-hmm. She's a Butte Clark.
Yeah, she is.
All she really needs, like, I guess for this one, the setup was there. I just wasn't looking at the chart at the right time. But right here, you have your manipulation leg, right? Because this one took a buy tick. Then we held below that 786. That was your little 786 hold right there. Held below it. Now we hit the 2125, -25. Still could, right, expand all the way next down to -5,618. But right now, I would want a retracement post taking this liquidity if we want to see a further continuation down. I mean, nothing says they can't just straight sell this thing, right? But at least for me, of how I like to play things, that's what I would want to be watching for. Doesn't have to do it for us. We could just wait till New York session. Took every bit in me to just like I'm not chasing this shit. Even though we could have, right, totally just chase right there, still gotten points, chase right here, still gotten points, but it's not worth it. Builds bad habits, and I've done that too many times. Now it's like, right, you can put your stop in profit now, so that if it does come back, if you're still in profit, and you've covered already your entry and everything, and then you can just look for a re-entry. Which one did I want to look at? ZRX. ZRX 705 tap. That one's holding this daily fair value gap nicely, respecting the 50%. Same thing. Looking for it to clear. Probably get above this 200 on the 4 hour. So after it does that, we could see maybe a continuation above. If this hourly closes above this daily, then it comes back over here, taps into that daily, and continues up like that. That would be cool. Can you draw a squiggly line for me on ZRX, please?
Can't open that chart.
Huh?
Bad juju. Can't open that chart.
As soon as you open it, just rips.
Alright, I'll open it.
No.
Not gonna like it. Kidding. Yeah, it looks good.
No. Ooh, it's looking froggy here. It's looking a little gross over here.
I was looking at stocks. I really like NEM.
NEM.
It's another. We were looking at a lot of energy ones yesterday, and this is another one that looks really good.
National Newton Corporation. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Almost
On
like
the
a little
daily.
cup and handle kind of.
Yeah,
OTE
wedge,
holding
OTE.
this lower FEG. Oh, that's like a
I can see,
perfect OTE tap.
Yep, come up, like sweep that high, come back down, like inverse head and shoulder type ordeal
Mm-hmm.
on the daily.
TF's energy. Let's take a look.
Looks good. Ooh, is there a hotkey to turn magnet on and off?
Oh, that one I don't know.
Ooh, got him.
Not that I've seen that one.
Got him.
Please
It's almost
hold.
time for a color change.
Oh wait, no. Yeah, there is. Like you can turn it off. You can turn it off for a second. So like if you're drawing stuff, like see how it's magnetic, you can hold control and then you can draw things.
What?
Yeah. I was
need
like,
that on the phone.
mine automatically doesn't set it on
I
it.
just have magnet on the phone.
Oh, okay. No. I do have the magnet on the phone. I was thinking, I don't know why I was thinking about the straight line, but that's nice that they made that now, that feature.
Not many people even trade off their phone. I've realized more and more. I think I'm just a freak.
Mm-hmm. Certified freak. 7 days a week.
Wow, Microsoft.
Are you gonna get a
crazy.
copy strike for this one? Was it three strikes and they're gonna fuck us? Or
I think it's only if you're monetized.
oh, okay.
I think we'll just keep getting warnings. That's okay. Mama didn't raise no bitch.
Keep giving me those fucking warnings, baby. What's Benjamin?
Benjamin.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ. See, if Inq starts to reverse here, I think we can get some good pump on these names. On some crypto names. At least for a reversal. Right, actually, here's what we can do. This next hourly, this next 4 hour can come into here. Maybe tap this order block right there. So next one like this, and then come down over here, and then bounce out of that. That would be ideal. Be like most ideal.
I can't.
Elam Molt.
So really random. Sorry. Wild group chat. And you won't be making it today.
Yeah, Benji has some circumstances that have allowed him not to. Oh my god.
Grace us with his presence.
Go follow Benji on Twitter so you can get a new car. Yes, Benji.
EMO on the monthly looks really good. Yeah, just shut it down. This is fucked.
Oh my god. That's so bad. Oh, dude. It's like not funny, but God, just like such a random turn of fucking events. That it's like, bro. Can you...
Like, it could have gone so many ways from
can't roll the window down, dude.
Disappointed. Benji.
Just mulching. Not only she's smelling fucking shit all day and has to smell vomit on the way home too.
Oh,
So bad. That is so bad. Oh my god.
the worst drive home. Just in your own filth. I won't say anymore. Not gonna bludgeon my friend on live.
Oh my goodness. Dude. Need to fly out there, help him out. Till his shit. Don't you think Jupiter could go above 0.6? Oh, let's see. I think Jupiter could go above 0.6. I'd love to see it. We just the only thing, right? Like we were looking on the 4 hour, so we tapped into OTE of this run up, right? That's the previous week's range, if I'm looking at it correctly. Well, previous 2 weeks, we tapped into the OTE of that, right? We hit the monthly one more time right there. Held this fair value gap, which is pretty nice. I like that. The fact that we held that. Now we're just looking to get through above this weekly, and if we get above the weekly, then we can start cooking on these names. Just like we already got to 6051.651.6051, right? So we've already hit the 60 cents. We just need to, like, if we want to see the continuation, we just need to clean up some of these levels. Like we need to displace this back up, this little fucking shit right there. Probably turn this into an order block, right? Or breaker block, whatever you want to fucking call that. Turn that into a breaker block and then continue up from it. It's on Jupiter. If you guys got any questions, let us know. Let us know in the comments. And you can see it on YouTube or whatever. Just
Or whatever. Go watch it somewhere.
Completely different.
Not only did he not show up, he also interrupted it.
Oh my god. I feel like hold up. See this motherfucker. Oh, he's probably asleep, dude. He's got his
Yeah, he
notifications
probably is.
off.
Probably holding the vacuum tube off on you or some shit. You know what I mean?
He's just probably catching some fucking good old C's. Damn, she's ripping right there, ZRX. Nice, nice bush, nice bush. That's a blunt fucking candle on both ends. Holy shit. As blunt as she gets. But we want to see, right? That's kind of the strength we want to see. Let's take a look at the volumes looking good too on these. It's like the biggest thing. That was kind of the tell for those last couple of those sell days. Ooh, hold up. Hold the phone, as Benji would say.
Hold the phone.
I love my animal exceptions. Boom, boom. Let's send it. Five two. Link. Damn, Link is fucking going, dude. Sending her. If I live to see the seven wonders. Dang, Link swept that liquidity and just fucking started going. So all right, we got these animals, I think, on most of these now, actually. So retrace back down on those, swept those previous weekly lows. Now they are starting to look a lot better for the upside. This is the bearish animal pattern. That's my only thing. Right? Like upon completion, it does reverse, but it doesn't have to go like a full reversal. It's just that upon this completion, it can retrace back down, and then we can continue up.
If you pre-draw the OTE from the low that we have right now up to the D point.
Like,
go all the way up. No, like put it
oh
up at
yeah,
D.
yeah.
We could get that pullback then.
Yeah, actually, hold up. I would want to see it to be right there. So theoretically, I would maybe even if we do that, what would that expansion give us? Sometimes it's like you have to find the.
If it reversed from D, that would be a structure change over that B point, and it could pull back to OTE from there.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So I would want to see cipher. Is this like cipher? Yeah. Yeah, the 6187874. That wouldn't be bad. That would be pretty good. If it like came down over here, then came back down. Actually, retest that OB right there, and then.
And look at that like overall structure there. That's nice. It's like a huge inverse head and double shoulder, double head. Shoulder.
Yeah, double head, double shoulder. Double head, double shoulder.
I like that. That's like a huge W pattern.
Mm-hmm. That's what I love about like those animal patterns is that the way they play out is almost like those W-ish patterns, right? We can even go higher, probably like 5. Actually, that makes it a little bit better. 5 O's. It's a little 1 0. 1619. Yeah, 272, 786. Yeah, just about there. I think that would be pretty decent if we can cook at least to point B. Point B would be the solid tap right there. I think on that. Let me post that into our chat so that I can keep track of that. Jupe. Yeah, that animal looks. I like that. Am I in Jupe? I am not in Jupe. I don't know why I'm not in Jupe. Should be.
Always need to jupe on you.
Yeah. Jupe. It's like if this animal is going to continue up, right, then I feel safe taking the entry and putting my stop somewhere right there, right? Like if I'm really confident, or I can put it below these lows, but these look a little sus to me, to be honest. But I like the sweep. reversal, consolidation, continuation, maybe another reversal, continuation, gonna stair step up almost. If I live to see the 7 wonders. What's that? And for anyone wondering, we are using Blowfin to trade these per futures. If you go check out our website, on top of the page, you'll see a little Blowfin thing. If you use that link to sign up, you get a nice little initial deposit bonus, I believe. Or you can check out at HasteBeats on Twitter as well. And go follow the link on his channel or inside of his on his wall that's pinned right there. Be able to see. All right, let's see if this gives us this little retrace. Right, new 4-hour opened up, new hourly opened up. So we want to see how she wants to operate here. She wants to do there.
NQ.
Yes. Yep. NQ. I'm kind of looking for a little retrace up to this order block, and then rejection.
There's hourly SMT on the
back
bottom
down from
too.
there. Almost come up. Yeah, I guess that would almost be our initial entry right there. Be pretty good. That's what I'm looking for, right? We said if it takes this and starts to reverse, then we're gonna possibly look for a retrace inside this fair value gap. Don't be too bad. I like that.
Yeah.
Jupiter's fucking cooking, dude. Good lord. She's a Butte Clark.
Yep. Bitcoin about to bust this what it swept yesterday and failed from.
Oh really? Let's take a look at here.
She's crazy nice reversal on that.
Bitch. Oh damn.
Like ridiculous.
Holy shit. Yeah, that's crazy. Fuck, even on the day. Oh my god, that daily is gross. Holy
Gross. That's like
shit.
they could sweep all time high and reverse type daily.
Yeah. Yep.
The weekly already. The weekly candle looks like it's like a Friday.
Gee, dude, yeah. See, if they can leave this big ass wick and just fucking send her. Like, it looks like this shit that we did right here just fucking blast off.
Yep. Yeah, they can leave this blunt bottom for weeks out.
They just
They
need
really
to,
want.
just as long as we get above those weeklies, right? We keep talking about those weeklies. So they need to get above those weekly candles, and that will give us solid continuations to the upside. Link,
Write this all off as manipulation. Damn. Did you see my tweet last night? I said want to scalp longs on Doge, don't want to get stopped by China. It was like the fucking bottom.
Would have gotten stopped by China.
No, I would have. Hold on.
Yeah, I was like,
It's
I was
funny.
going into everything. Then this morning I was just sitting there contemplating everything at work. I was like, damn, dude, these lows look fucking nice that it swept like everything right there at 7 a.m. So, yeah, that was like 5 a.m. our time. I was like, dude, this shit looks so fucking good. Get into here, what you got? Yeah, and then 5 a.m. comes around. They fucking wick that bitch, fucking boink. And
Yeah,
then
I would have got stopped.
Mm-hmm.
No, I actually think I had it below that low to the left. I didn't want to. It came so close to it, I didn't trust it. Yeah, and it was weird. By the time I woke up, I already missed the entry on a lot of it, but okay.
Yeah, I think Doge is. I want to see Doge continue up. She looks good. I like the way Doge is looking to the upside.
The
See,
XLM 4 hour.
I would love to see Doge just like rip up into this previous weekly. That would be solid for me. And we're getting good volume on these candles too.
XLM 4 hour. Look at that one.
XLM.
This chart's just always so clean.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this 705 tap was fucking beautiful. Like, well, pretty close to 705, but still, the way she's looking on that 4 hour
Got that,
too.
got
Yeah.
that curve on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Just that nice little. Yep. That's that looks spendy.
Oh, she's got her favorite setup actually.
It does.
Could extend
Yep.
into here, into that yearly open, come up to that previous weekly wick.
Squirt back down,
Huh?
and then squirt back down.
Yeah, exactly. And then bust back down. If you guys are enjoying this, give it a like, give it a share. Due to unforeseen circumstances.
Oh, super unforeseen.
Yeah, XLM looks good. Let's take a look at Shiba's fucking going too. Above that daily, yeah, Shiba's good. Damn. Should have kept my fucking shit
gone.
on it.
She looks. She and XLM look identical. The charts.
Oh, actually, I'm gonna close Crow because honestly I have such a small little position on it. It's not even 3%er.
Well, I'd wake up. It's at like $3.
Yeah, exactly. No. Literally, it was like I took the smallest amount, like
No.
3x leverage, and I was like, nah.
No, I'm saying, watch, wake up.
Oh,
I'll be at like $3.
oh my god, dude. Yeah, I'd fucking probably swallow a shotgun at that point.
Copyright strike.
If that fucking happens. Copyright strike. The copyright strike is, yeah. Everything's looking good. Let's see Shibi.
Some kid watching back on YouTube learning how to trade stocks. So just talking about swallowing a shotgun.
It's like, oh damn, fucking turn off their shit.
Maybe I don't want to trade.
Maybe, yeah. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll go work a 9 to 5 instead. It's just life decisions.
College doesn't sound so bad, Dad.
You know what? Maybe spending 4 years becoming the most average fucking human being doesn't sound too terrible anymore, Dad.
Oh my god.
No, I was kind of thinking maybe I should do everything that everybody else does. Fuck, dude. The fucking worst, man. Makes me want to cry inside sometimes.
I think I should like go to school, and like when I get out, there'll just be like a job waiting for me.
Oh my god, don't even get me fucking started on that. It's like, I'm thankful for the opportunity that was there for me to do that and go to college and do all of that. But the fact that, okay, I did, honestly, if I didn't go, I wouldn't probably.
It was part of the process.
Yeah, it was all part of the process. But like for anyone that's like deciding, I can't really tell you what to do, but it's like if you're trading, you much rather spend that time, fucking spend 8 hours a day staring at the screen and finding a setup and backtesting than fucking 8 hours a day fucking following some liberal fucking agenda and getting fucking, what is it, indoctrinated,
Yeah.
Like, seriously. It's
nice reversal call on NQ, by the way.
Think, sir.
Bing bong.
Mm-hmm. Bingity bongity bong. Let's see, right? Like, so if we get stopped there, then I want to see another short from right there, probably. If it comes back up, stops us right there at that 215 profit. I want to see another short from somewhere over here, right? We can cut a little deeper into here. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't be opposed to that. But
Doge on a fucking Indo.
dude, Doge and Sheep both are fucking going. This liquidity sweep was fucking nuts. This is probably the best animal of all of them. This is a little it is a bearish setup, right? It is a bearish setup. However, this could just give us that same retrace, right? Like we talked about, like if we do this right there, and that gives us that 0.5, kind of come back down into these levels, retest them a little bit, or wherever they choose to go.
Dude, pull up Ave again.
Oh Lord, let me take a screenshot.
It's just fucking gone.
Take a post on this one on Doji. Doji's a fan favorite. What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude.
Do CRV next.
Oh my fucking god. What the fuck?
Shake and bake.
Damn. If these are like, see, that's the shit that we were talking about, guys, where it's like some of these are not obviously following, right? I can come in here and want to fucking chase, right? But that wouldn't be fucking smart. That'd be
No.
dumbass move. Look at that, fucking clear as fuck. Holy shit, she's coming up over here. She definitely wants that 278. Damn.
That one's always strong. Every crypto run for the last 10 years.
Did I have any
Always like a leader.
Aves? It's like, I want to see over history. No, honestly, I've been sticking to like Crow Doge.
Look at it on the weekly.
See, this is
The
the
liquidity
kind of
that it's
thing
got.
that we want to see on.
Look down below.
Oh yeah, dude, we had it outlined to a fucking T. I didn't quite get that little retrace, but still, holy shit, holy fuck.
BRV too. I've been all over that one in paper traders. That one's fucking nuts.
Oh, that's a good one. Good lord.
Big pumpers.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, Yoda. That's what we kind of want to see on these other names, right? That sort of follow through. That's fucking
Ooh.
wild, dude. Dot.
Remember render?
Honestly, I don't hate Dot here. And it pays good too. I feel like. I
Render looks super
do
good.
remember Render. Ren.
RNDR. Yeah, all of these look good, honestly.
Damn, Link is cooking, dude.
I think I said it on our stream before. It looked so ready to rip. CRO going too hard.
Render ZRX. Yeah, once these get above those weekly opens, I think that's gonna be a fucking just a rocket ship. ING. Rue? No. Let's see what we got. Ooh, well, looks good. I don't think it's on Bluefin though anymore. With Zeta, BCH, Anchor,
Still like AVAX.
SKL.
AVAX daily looks really nice still.
Dude, I feel like Orca could fucking send a fucking stick. Bro, yeah. Sure.
Rat.
1 inch, yeah, ace. Got just a little LP. Yeah, it's kind of the same thing that we've talked about, like when they were below those monthlies. Right now, it's the weekly that's kind of like holding that ball underwater. So once it gets above it, it's just gonna, right, once it breaks that surface, it could bust. Whoa, B and T, what the fuck? Oh yeah, that one fucking ripped. What's the other one you were saying?
Forgot. AVAX?
Yeah, I take a look on Livix. Yeah, same kind of thing. Oh yeah, AVAX was the one that tapped that 705 perfectly.
Looks nice. Yeah, just gotta clear that junk.
Yeah, if we can
Yeah,
like,
they really made that look ugly before the rip. Like that dump yesterday and how things closed was just hideous.
yeah,
Looks ugly before it looks good, and it looks good before it looks ugly.
the good, the bad, and the ugly. Yeah, let's see, Doge. Yeah, Doge can go up to that side week. Link can get up there to 17,967. ZRX. Yeah, ZRX, I'm liking those equal highs up on it. ZRX. Yeah. Yeah, ZRX looks absolutely beautiful to me, honestly. This bullshit.
Yep.
If we can come up over here, 2894. Even the weekly, just like the top of the weekly looks like fucking smooth top. ZRX. Fettuccine.
Fettuccine?
Yeah. So
Alfredo?
for Fet.
No. Oh,
Fettuccine.
soul ripping. Crazy.
Yeah, fucking
Doge is gone. Doge can get it.
don't stop. Get it.
Better back.
All right. Yeah, we're looking good. We're cooking on these. We just don't want it to see reverse on us. NQ also looking for tap this volume imbalance, right? So now we want to see it continue back down from that. Shit, just like project it back down if it wants to go back. All right. Does anyone have any names? I see we got 75 of y'all in here. But if anybody got any tickers in the comments below, get them in chat. We'll take a look at those. Or if you got any questions, comments, concerns, let us know. We're here for y'all. Wanna answer some questions, wanna see what y'all got. Or if you don't got anything, that's totally cool too. We'll hate on it. But let us know. Jupe is getting a nice follow through. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, Jupe can come up, retest some highs too. Let's see these. Holy fucking link. Oh my god. On Doge is also going. Yeah, all of these got those nice animal setups. Doge is getting up there. Doge. What else we got? We got Fat is fucking. Link is on a tear, guys. That's insane. Link is fucking cooking it up. Holy shit. Good lord. 17. Yeah, it can go to that $17 mark, I think. Easy. We don't want to see these, like, well, guess we'll see. If it sweeps that shit and then continues up, that's what we want to see. We don't want to see a reversal after the sweep of those. That'd be ugly. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh shit. Yeah, so that's what we're working with over here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, we just want to. Okay, all right. So we're coming into here, right? So we're getting pretty close up to here. Let's see if she takes it right there. We've got the position in it. 13. Everything's getting up there, y'all. Everything's getting up there to those levels. I want to see. Yeah. See, that's where we want to see these kind of like the indices maybe follow through a little bit up top to those as well. And then after that. And then just in, looks like.
Whoa.
I just noticed it's official.
What
Yeah. It is official. Everybody can use referral code Eddie for
Let's
Blowfin.
go. Congrats.
Thank you, sir. No, thank you, and big shout out to Nate from Blowfin. My mate Nate Blowfin _ Nathan and Jay at Blowfin as well. Guys rock. Sign up. Yeah, use that referral code if you guys want to get a nice little sign-on bonus. And then you can join us in our trading sessions. And check out the Discord too. It's www.papertraders.io. You can use the link at the top of that website as well. They'll get you in there for that Blowfin referral. And then you'll be able to come hang out with us, trade some cryptos. We do provide a more like a in-depth analysis on things that we trade in there. So let's say come in, stay a while.
I think it's time to start live streaming crypto.
Honestly. Wait for the announcement of me. I'm quitting my job to become a full-time crypto trader.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking that into existence.
I actually just stream on Twitch.
We should. I wonder if it's like.
You can.
What if instead of well, I guess YouTube actually we kind of want to keep it because it just like keeps it nice and organized, everything on there. We can just upload to YouTube too. All right. Link needs to cook through this right there. It needs to cook through that $16 level.
Crazy pump.
Yeah. Yeah, Link needs to.
Ooh,
I don't like how
zero.
blunt that is. It's my only concern, but I'm liking everything else on it. It just needs to get above this level and hold above it in order for us to continue cooking to probably that weekly level right there. I'm probably gonna take I'll take a trim here. I'll take half. Right, we always wanna de-risk. little bit, take profits as they come. You know, it's like not every day. The S&P return value, it's like, you know, the S&P returns 8% a year. So if you're making 8% of your account in a day, then you shouldn't be fucking bitching. Take your profit and go touch some grass.
Yeah, otherwise, what are you doing this shit for?
Exactly.
What's the point? What's the goal?
Mm-hmm. What you munching on?
Taco.
Taco? Ooh. ¿Qué tipo de taco?
Dos tragaleches.
Dos tragaleches? That's a good one. Bro, Javi's fucking sound asleep. This motherfucker's out, I bet you.
He's like,
Yeah. What's that? We gotta send that fucking Doge. He always loves to send, not the Pepe. Not Doge. The sleepy little Doge. What is Flog doing? What the fuck is...
coffee?
I'm also drinking coffee. Me not being able to fall asleep last night. Me also drinking espresso up until I go to bed. Oh my god. It's funny as shit. Flog. Oh, I mean, okay. Flog kind of got a decent push on this.
Flagging on the daily.
Mm-hmm. It's weekly.
Ethereum not being gay for once in its fucking life.
Continue on up. Animal completion. Keep cooking. Keep it cooking.
Oh yeah, the overall animal.
Yeah. This is the animal that started it all.
Ooh. Pull up sushi on the 12-hour.
Mm-hmm.
Look at if we close this 12-hour above that black candle.
Oh yeah.
Out of this OTE.
That would be fucking solid.
Oh my god.
Is sushi a pretty good one? Does go pretty well.
Read veggies.
Oh, Benji replied again into there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Good lord. Good fucking lord. So Benji derailed the fucking stream again. Fuck's sake. Oh my god. That is so bad. Oh my god. And Q's continuing her grind down, so I'm thinking we get this little final TP. We just don't want to see that reversal on these names, right? We did come into good zones, but we just don't want to see those reversal happening on like Jupiter 60. Oh, that's there. Okay. So let's see if we just like this right there is what we don't want right here. That's my only fucking concern right now. It's this bullshit. But the way everything else is going, it doesn't seem too bad. You know? It's just like, does it want to continue up from this shit?
For sure.
Like this daily cannot wick back down and become disgusting. China needs to fucking hold. Just got off the phone with Xi Jinping. He said we're not gonna stop crypto tonight. We're gonna pump it up. I told him you do that, and we're not gonna have a problem. It's crazy. Like some of those names fucking go, and some of these just fucking don't want to do that. All right. We're coming up on an hour here. We've passed an hour, that hour point. I'm probably gonna go work on some shit. So keep in mind these highs, right? We want to see a close above these. Everything above those weeklies can go pretty hard, right? If we clear above these weekly levels, that initial manipulation down, that's what we're looking for, the sweep of the previous weekly lows as well. So we're looking for a continuation up on these, right? With that, we just want to see a nice solid close above that weekly level, and then we can go to Valhalla. Of that, I'm probably going to end it. So thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Check out www.papertraders.io. That's going to be your go-to website for anything paper traders related. If you guys want to join up our Discord, there's 3 little tiers that you can join. We have our weekly subscription, so that's going to be $9.99 a week. If you guys want to not spend money on some shitty coffee for a week and gain some actual value, then it's kind of a cool little place to hang out with some traders. Monthly is 20, should be 27, right?
Yes.
Okay.
$27.99.
The website says $29.99.
It is $29.99. Wait, let me check. Really quick.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yep, we're good.
Okay, yeah. Then we got the monthly, $29.99, and we also have 2 spots. Oh shit, we gotta do the giveaway winner for paper traders.
It is Monday.
It is. Oh, perfect. So we'll end it on that note, right? Okay, so check out the website, right? We got the trader log on there, ICT trainer, risk calculator, candle creator. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see view past streams. Press that button, you can see how our track record is doing. All of the live streams are labeled from now on, but previously they've just been like little morning streams, right? Just still outlined by the day. So check those out. And you can press the little join Discord button. You see a little globe button that gives you all of our social medias. Check out at the Paper Traders. If you guys missed out, we've been probably shouting it for every stream on the Paper Traders page. There's a giveaway for a lifetime subscription, and we are going to announce the winner here in a second. I think she's pulling it up.
Yep.
So check that out. Make sure you follow that page. Make sure you turn on the post notifications. Turn on post notifications for me. Turn on post notifications for at Hayes Beats. That's Shane. Check him out as well. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. So turn on those post notifications so that you stay up to date and see any information that's coming through. We do post our live stream schedules on there of when we'll be live on Twitter, and then obviously Shane posts some good stuff. I'm posting some zoo animals here and there. So if you're interested in that, check that out too. Big shout out to the guys at Blowfin. Great software, and Shane has been using it for a year, and then he got me on it. And I've been using it for about, was it like 6 months probably since November. October, November. Finally, fucking grab him by the neck, was like, fucking download this fucking shit. It's like, Okay.
Literally grabbed his phone and installed it.
Yeah. So check those guys out. You can use the little code that you see on our screenshots, or you can see also at the top of the Paper Traders website. So you can use code Eddie for the sign up, and I think code Hazed as well.
Safe.
Right? Sure.
Yep. Okay.
You get the fucking hiccups again from the 6 milligram wintergreens, dude.
No, I found out if you do 3 milligrams, you don't get the hiccups.
Oh my
That's why I
god.
was asking the question.
The cheat code. Cheat code. But yeah, use our little use this little referral links to sign up for Blowfin. You get a little sign on bonus. So check them out. You can trade it off your phone, you can trade it off your computer. I use it on both, whenever I'm not at my phone, or whenever I'm not at my screen. I can use it on my phone. Honestly, that's how we started, and it's so simple to use. Maybe we can even do a little fucking tutorial on how to
We
use
should.
it on the phone. Just gotta screen
We
my
should just do make a sub account like Nate was saying, and just like do the funding of it like from start to finish.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we should get
I
in
think that'd be cool and helpful.
talks with Nate. Let's see what
Yeah.
they want to do. But yeah, other than that, let's announce that winner. Let's see who's got that. Let's see who followed the instructions properly.
Yep, I'm about to post it. Typing it up. Boom.
Did you make a post of who did it?
Yep.
All right. Let's see. Gotti Gator. Congratulations, sir, for securing a lifetime membership. You can look out for a little link in your DMs. So check that out. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Oh, you tweeted 12 minutes ago.
God, he's the homie too, so that's dope.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, he tweeted 12 minutes ago. So if he's watching the stream right now, what's up? Congratulations for the win, sir. I'm sure we'll do another one in the future. So stay tuned. Make sure you're following at the Paper Traders on Twitter. Make sure you got the bell notifications turned on there. Make sure you turn on bell notifications for at Hayes Beats and myself. As always, we appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for following along on this journey. If you guys want to see more, give it a like, give it a share. Let us know what you want to see more of, less of. If you want to see more crypto breakdowns, if you want to see more setups, we're working on getting this a little class going for the animals. I know we've been saying it for fucking weeks, but we'll lock in and get that shit out. So check us out. We appreciate you guys. Much love. Follow at Hayes Beats. And yeah. Peace out. We'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Peace.